the noodles, not the Sri Lanka, this is from India. Alright, we will try to make and everything we prepare from here: beans, onions, and curry leaves, chili, garlic, and egg. First, we have to make hot water. We will make the hot water. After that, we will fry everything. Then we will mix together. This is the olive oil, and we will spicy. We will put the little bit spicy chili and black pepper, and this is turmeric powder, and this is curry powder. Alright? Okay, guys, we will make nice food for you, us, and you, and enjoy with us. Alright? Okay. Come to the first, we have to make the pan is hot. Yeah, alright. Then after boiling the hot water, then we will mix the noodles. Actually, we are not the put the inside the things. We are not eating there is some liquid inside. We don't like to put this one. I will show you, because you know that is not good for the healthy food. We don't know how the people are put inside. This one we are not put. Where we will make the Sri Lankan things, our country. We will mix together this one. We are not put this one. Thanks so much. After that, we will see you, bro. Okay, guys, we have to mix now. We already made the fat from the hot water, and we will mix to this one. And I want to do our special thing from the Sri Lankan recipe. We have to put a little bit hot water. The oil. Little bit olive oil. And after a little bit, it will make it hot. We will put the egg. Egg we will put the later. Then we have to this one the carrot and everything. We have to make nice fry. Then we will put the egg later. Okay. We will put the carrot, because carrot is making a little bit this one is actually this recipe is good for health and everything, because we are not put the people are putting the including inside the something. We don't like eat this one, because this is not the healthy food. How to mix the egg. Egg is good for health. This one actually this one in the not the farm egg. We will buy from the natural egg. It will make the fry, then we will mix together. Right, guys? Let it later. We will put some the back paper. Back paper good for the health and I forgot to say tell you because Sri Lankan people really like the salt and European people don't like. Actually we like salt. I didn't put the before. Just now I put the salt a little bit. That is the taste for us because we have to our tongue like the little bit taste. Yeah, right. Then I will this one we have to remove the water, then mix together. We have to remove the water, then we will mix together everything. Bravo! Bravo, bravo, bravo! Who want to eat? Come to Dubai! We are staying in the Jumeirah. If you want, you will come and enjoy with us, guys! Yeah, see, look at. I will make this normally. Actually, I don't know how to cook, but I will make. This is normal dish for us. Really, we are busy all the time, but we like to eat like this. Some people are only making only this noodles and this thing they are putting, but we don't like to eat this one. This one is don't eat, guys. This one is not good food. This one not good. Mix together. Everything is little bit. Heat is down. Alright, guys. Mix together.